Our team here at Soup Initiative is brought together in order to create and complete a video game for distribution on public platforms. Our current project is a 3D platformer, in the same vein as games such as Super Mario Odyssey, while also incorporating elements from other genres as well. At this point in time, we have a strong foundation, consisting of fleshed out game mechanics, planned out art assets, and sponsorship backing. Owing to this, our goal is to have a playable beta build ready with 6 total levels and 1 main lobby area by the end of the 2022 spring semester for public testing. Now here is a short video going into some more detail about our project.
The market for 3D platformers has grown bigger than ever, and every publisher wants a piece of the pie. And audiences expect to find fluid 3D gameplay. We specialize in Unreal Engine game development. Our artists use the latest modeling tools, and we have a dedicated UX team. All of this supports a production-ready platformer for young adults, prepared to enter full development. Players hunt ghosts and gain abilities across numerous platforming challenges as they unravel the mystery of a haunted manor in the woods. We've conducted extensive playtesting with real players and received positive feedback from industry professionals, resulting in a game that feels fluid and consistently engaging. Given our strong foundation, we expect a turnaround of 3 months on this project, and are looking for a partner to help make this possible. Expand your company's portfolio to this popular genre. Contact us at team@soupinitiativegames.com for business inquiries, and visit our website to try a playable demo.
We're designing this game for teens and young adults who are fans of the 3D platformer genre. The most important measure of success for us is developing a fun and expandable gameplay loop, while making sure the game is easily accessible for people of all skill levels. In addition, we plan on having every provided level maintain a consistent and finished art direction that does not distract from the gameplay. We plan to accomplish this with these 3 pillars of success. The first one being fun movement. Developing a fluid movement system that emphasizes abilities that chain well together will ensure a fun and fluid gameplay experience. Pillar 2. Fun exploration. Outdoor nonlinear exploration is the bread and butter of our game. There will always be multiple landmarks the player can gravitate towards. There will also be secret objectives and multiple branches off the beaten path to encourage and reward players that explore. The last pillar is the multi-use mechanics. Every ability the player unlocks will have multiple use cases. We will juice each of these mechanics by offering challenges that use these mechanics in clever new ways throughout each level.
Our team operates on an agile workflow. We set up week-long sprints in Azure DevOps and use a digital Kanban board to keep track of work that is being done. At the end of each sprint, we go over the work that has been accomplished and decide on new tasks to tackle or changes to make to our plans heading into the next sprint. This allows us to always be monitoring our methods while keeping us on track to a finished product. We also use Azure DevOps as our Git repository for source control. Our project, which is created using Unreal Engine 4, is stored here, and we have a workflow that makes it easy for everyone to synchronize their changes and collaborate. While this repository handles our development needs, we also have 2D and 3D art assets developed using a variety of tools, including Maya, Photoshop, and Substance Painter. We've created documentation describing the specifications each asset should adhere to, and we'll use this to establish a reliable pipeline for the production of new art assets. Likewise, we have prepared documentation on the game design and various technical details. We aim to uphold good documentation practices to make sure we're all on the same page and doing consistent work as we produce this game.
Our game actually started at the beginning of this year back in January. Since then, we have to put in a lot of work to make this game and even consider what to do in the future. Last semester, we discussed what to do with the game before starting, and led to this semester being all for pre-production. Because of that, coming into this semester, we only needed to focus on a little bit of the pre-production left and all the class assignments given to us. Even though we started early on this game, our goal is still ambitious. We want a game that meets our requirements rather than it just being sellable. For it to be playable and sellable, we can do that by the end of Capstone, but we want to keep going with the game and finish all the extra features afterwards that we see fit. While we talk of selling it, we still haven't decided on a name. We've had numerous placeholders set, but no name has been official yet, and we're still working on that.
To ensure that our project stays on track and is making steady progress, we have created a production schedule. Our schedule consists of monthly milestones for the first 4 months of 2022. At the end of January, our project has white boxes for each of our levels complete and vital models blocked out and ready for refinement. The end of February has our level layouts playtested and finalized. Major changes to level structure ceases beyond this point. The majority of environment art is complete and integrated. The end of March sees a complete alpha build. The game is playable in a minimum state start to finish. Artwork and systems are still work in progress. April includes polishing and bug fixing. All our assets are cohesive, and outliers are updated to fit. Additional features beyond scope are included here as well. This all results in our final beta build.
From here, we will introduce the team and everyone's commitment on the project.
Hello, my name is Warrick Chung and I am a senior at Purdue University, majoring in animation with a minor in computer science. I have gained skills throughout my time at Purdue and at various internships, such as knowledge and experience with various parts of the 3D pipeline, as well as scripting and coding. Starting out mostly interested in environment and character modeling, frustration with the workflow involved has led me to shift focus onto the more technical side of the 3D pipeline, specifically in building tools to enable other artists to accomplish their goals easier. In the coming year, I'll be using what I have learned up to this point in order to help develop a game along with my peers.
Hi, I'm Trevor Hutchinson, and I'm a senior majoring in game design and 3D animation, with a minor in the fine arts. I am well versed with the Unreal game engine, and I have worked on a number of projects inside and outside of class. I have also participated in several game jams, so I know the value of time management and working within a deadline. I also know how to create assets for Unreal Engine 4, whether they be animations, 3D models, sprites, sound effects, or whatever. For this game, I will use my expertise to help with assets, level layout, and UI.
I'm Hunter Knight, the 2D artist. I am a senior at Purdue, double majoring in game design and animation with a minor in art and design. I am a lifelong artist who has worked with a variety of mediums, subjects, and styles. I also have experience scripting in the Unreal Engine 4, and I hold a wide understanding of the game development process. My greatest strength is my adaptability and ability to learn quickly, and my greatest weakness is my own overly high standard of my work. I aim to become a concept artist working in the games industry.
I am a senior in game development design with a double major in animation. I've always been into art and anything game related. Although I'm into games, I have a multiple experience with many other things allowing me to transfer the knowledge to games. I use Maya, Adobe Suite, and Unreal Engine 4. My strengths rely in reliability and creativity. I mainly follow the path of 3D modeling and seek to get better with each model I make.
Brayden is a senior at Purdue University under the animation major. He has strong experience with animation, rigging, and 3D graphics modeling. He has a large amount of experience within Maya and some good experience within Unreal Engine. Brayden spends extra time to make sure his work is of top quality, and he intends to use his skills to contribute to the project through environment design, 3D graphics modeling, animation, level design, and whatever else is needed through the use of the Maya software.
My name is Jen Nazareth, and I'm a senior at Purdue University in the UX design program, where I'm getting a minor in psychology and also a certification in collaborative leadership. Most of my UX expertise lies in user research and documentation. With that being said, I've been looking at beautiful designs to learn more about UI and visual design work. In the spring semester of 2021, I joined this game design development team to develop playtest protocols and gather player feedback on the builds they were creating. Most of the playtests I have created revolved around the general feel of player movement to ensure a pleasing experience. With the information I've gathered from my testers, I've analyzed my findings and offered actionable feedback for the team.
I'm Sarah. I'm one of the UX designers for Super Initiative Games. Much of my work experience and passion lies in developing UIs that are as usable as they are visually appealing. I have years of experience in visual design, extensive knowledge in conducting primary user research, and a background in cognitive psychology. I will be testing our game builds as well as creating any menu UIs for our game.
My name is Harsha, and I'm a designer and programmer focused on creating intuitive game systems and extensible architectures in our code. I have experience in software production and team management for large clients in the tech space, and I'm currently studying game development and design with minors in computer science, psychology, and English. Garner is a senior at Purdue University studying game development and design. He is also getting a minor in computer science and computer information technology. Garner specializes in the creative aspects of the game, with him mainly focusing on the design and programming of the project. And that covers our project to date. Thank you for watching.